got kids?
I got one, but he just turned 21.
Oh, he's older. Yeah, you definitely got too much time on your hands.
Yeah.
Get locked out, okay? We won't have the chip, so it won't actually start it. Let's see, we got GM. Hopefully we can do it with the machine. If not, it's a 30-minute programming. We'll find out.
I have the fob too. You don't need that, right?
No. Oh, to like lock and unlock it?
Yeah.
Oh, is it programmed?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
You want me to program it?
The way it works for this, like, it locks and unlocks, but I don't know. I don't know if that'll help you or not.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Oh, no.
Okay.
Yeah. So we got Cadillac. Yeah, there's a chip in the key that has to be programmed to the car.
Okay, that's what it is.
Yeah. Control unit. All right, 12 minutes.
All right.
10 seconds left.
Yeah.
All right, let's turn it on. This real light's gone. Okay. Dead battery?
Oh, it's probably low because
We'll jump it.
I think because.
It might have still been programming that key. Yeah.